Hey, man of the Mayhem here, and today we're going to look at how to put the Bruce firmware onto the M5StickC Plus2. Quite a little easy thing to do, and it's a very nice little device that's easy to do it with. Basically, all we need to do is make sure we plug a data USB-C into our stick, and once we've done that, we need to head over to our PC and I'll show you what to do on the actual desktop side of things. Right, now we're all plugged in, we need to come over to bruce.computer/index or just bruce.computer. We're going to come over to here to install. On install, we're going to click start flashing. On here, we're going to pick our device. So here we said we're doing the M5Stack, the StickC Plus2. Then we click our connect button, which should give us an option box. It's going to be our USB serial on COM9. Connect, it should then bring up our connecting menu. If it's connected and seen it, it will say install the Stick Plus2. We'll click that, we'll erase our device, click next, click install, and now we just need to wait until it's completed. Right, so that's it done, it's just wrapping itself up now, and as you can see the installation is complete. Right, so back at the top down, so if everything's gone correctly, we should be able to push our power button here, and we should be greeted by our lovely little friend, Bruce the Shark. So fingers crossed, touch wood. There we go. There is Bruce, fully installed and working on the M5StickC Plus2. Hope this video's been helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please like, follow, subscribe. If you want to know more about the Bruce firmware, go check out my LilyGo TM-Bed full features of Bruce firmware. I'll put a link to that in the description. Happy hacking, see you next time.